Hi guys, good morning. Actually, it's not the morning, it's the afternoon. My closet arrived yesterday and it's like a PAX wardrobe, so I needed help. Usually, like everything that you see in my house has been assembled by me and Samat, but Samat's busy, like he's working, he got a job. So I have called this carpenter and he's helping me out. Helping me out as in basically I hired him, so he's doing it and he's been at it for like a couple of hours now. I think it's been about 4 hours. So yeah, I'll show you guys. And I'm so stupid, I thought that it would really fit into my room, but it doesn't. It's gonna be 7 into 7, but it's 8 into 8 and I don't have that much space over there. That's that, but I'll still show you guys what's happening and everything. So just give me a moment. So my closet is all done and I was going to make like a organizing video, but then I don't know, I was not having a good day, so I just thought of like organizing my closet and I thought to myself कि मैं थोड़ा सा करूँगी and then फिर tomorrow I'll wake up and film it for you guys. But I just got carried away and I couldn't stop, so I finished all of it within like I think 4 hours or 5 hours. I started at 6 o'clock and I was done by 12, so 6 hours. So I was at it for 6 hours and I got it done. Also, I'm so stupid. So this thing now, so this I thought I did not like measure it and I thought it would also fit here. So this is 7:7 as I told you, and this thing stays out. I have to figure out what I want to do with this. Vishwas told me that I can keep it at his house since he doesn't have like a lot of furniture, so I'm thinking I'll do that. And the closet looks so good. I'm so happy, I can't even tell you. So like this is what it looks like. I'll just show you guys a little bit. So these are the tops that I usually wear for my shoots and everything, like all my good tops. This is just my white tops wala pile, and yeah, just the tie-dye t-shirts that I have. But yeah, all of my white t-shirts. Then here are my pants and like trousers and everything. Oh my god. And then there are my joggers and workout clothes and also घर का कपड़ा. This is also घर का कपड़ा and all my shirts. मुझे लगा नहीं था कि इतनी जगह बचेगी, but I do have like a lot of space, but that's not an excuse that I'm going to use, because I was like अगर कपड़े नहीं बैठते हैं तो I will have to like just donate or sell it off. But yeah, sorry, bed here, so that's good. Another thing today, just like right now my bed arrived and this is what my bed looks like. So that's the one that I've ordered, and it's gonna be here, so I still have to get it assembled. I've been just sleeping on my mattress for the last, but it's okay, I used to sleep on my mattress even मेरे पुराने घर पे, so that's not a problem. I just thought of giving you guys थोड़ा सा updates. So that's been up. And what else, I still have to get my fan fixed, which I have not. I told you last time because मेरा AC fix हो गया. So yeah, and anyway, I'm not big on like fan and AC. I sleep without it, can you believe it? So yeah, that's that. I also have to fix my bahar ka fan, so that's something that I have to do, and also get good light, because the bulbs here are not so good, the one that came with the house, so I have to like replace those as well. But yeah, that's the update. Also, I have been having like a really bad day today. Actually not today, like last couple of days, like 2-3 days have been just a little something, and all that I've been doing is just like trying to work through it. I mean, I've been trying to distract myself by just keeping myself busy, and that has been working and helping, because my work does give me a lot of joy, but just to get to work, the motivation and everything is just so tough. So yeah, that's been up. Also, please ignore that. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I've been just trying to like have a lot of faith in the universe, and just trust the process and know that everything's going to work out for me sooner or later. I just have to have that faith. So I've been like reminding myself that a lot lately, that everything's okay. Oh, I did not show you my other closet. I'll show you. See, my brain is just all over the place. I've been getting up really early. I don't know what's up with my body. My body wakes me up at 7:30, which is very early in the morning. So I've been waking up at 7:30, and that's like really long for me. Like abhi like 3:30 baj rahe and I almost feel like arey yaar. So yeah, I got up. I did like household chores and stuff. Then I filmed my reel. It's for a brand, so I filmed it, I edited it, and now I've sent in for an approval. So yeah, I think I'm done for the day now with the work wise. I'm just gonna eat food because I have not eaten yet. I think I'm gonna have my lunch and then just go for a walk, maybe get out of my head. That should help. Going out in the nature always helps, so I think I'm gonna do that. Recently, something that I discovered, and I'm extremely proud of myself for that, is a really good place to order food from. So I love eating Asian food, and I found this place and I've ordered like prawn dumplings. So yeah, I'm gonna have that right now, and just gonna watch Uncoupled on Netflix. I just started it, I think on Sunday, so I'm just gonna watch that. And the food here is amazing. They also sent me chopsticks, which I can't really use, or I don't know how to, but yeah, that's that. I'm really excited to eat food. My maid did not come today, so this is my dinner and I'm looking forward to eating it.